Okay, so the following video is the first day in Barcelona. We went to visit Parc Güell, which is a public nature park built by the renowned architect Gweii. If you want to see more of Gaudi's work in Barcelona, I recommend, after watching this video, go watch Sagrada Familia. It's an amazing sort of church structured building filled with designs and patterns all inspired by nature. It's an amazing project, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Here is it. Travelled higher up in Parc Güell and we found this. Look at the lovely scene behind me. It's beautiful, right? There's stones, there's berries, there's flowers, there's leaves, there's trees. There can't be anything wrong with it, can it? Until you look closer. There's a, wait for it, plastic carrier bag! Dun dun dun. Okay, the safety of the environment. Bad climbing walls. Plastic carrier bag. Mission done.